Did you know that there's a mini city of the future inside a mall in Bangkok?
We're now here at Nextopia. At i-discover namin to bago to dito eh. Damn! Ang ganda mi! Ganda.
Welcome to Nextopia, located inside Siam Paragon. This 15,000 square meter space is designed as a prototype city of the future,
Acting na acting.
where sustainability, innovation, food, and lifestyle experience all come together.
Okay, tingin dito.
You'll find interactive exhibits, creative installations,
Dami maganda dito. Ano yan?
eco-inspired spaces, and restaurants with unique experiences all in one place.
What the hell? Ano to? May partihan! Ganda dito guys. Nandito lang siya sa may Siam Paragon.
So next time you're in Bangkok, explore the future at Nextopia, located at the 5th floor of Siam Paragon.
Video kita. Ha? Ay, talaga naman. Go, bye! Susula ka! Bye, bye, bye! Sakit gisa? Guys, ba't parang sila? Hindi hirap. Pero parang nakakaduling na yung hagdan para malalaglag ka. Pag onting maling tapak lang, ay wala ka na. Turista.